Good morning. We are not going to do a video this morning. Well, I guess we're doing this.
This is a video.
But we're not going to do a normal video today because, well, we just ran out of time. We've been super busy. And so instead, we just thought that we would give y'all a little bit of an update of kind of what's been going on, kind of why we're behind, and kind of what we've been up to this year, what to expect for next year, and a few of our plans for next year. So I think the first thing is we're in a new spot. So Steph and I bought a new place, and so we've been moving into it, and we're moving into a new studio. So video production is all moving. It seems like the whole team of EXPLORIST.life is moving at the moment. We've been doing all these full installs that you guys have been watching. We're how many deep at this point? 3, 4?
Four. Yeah, the 5th one is going to come out next week. That's
Sweet.
The last one.
So 5th one is coming out next week with the 5th wheel trailer. So those have been very fun, and I'm so glad that
4. I'm sorry. The 4th one. I don't know.
4 of them. So we did truck camper, travel trailer, 30 amp motorhome, and now we're doing 50 amp 5th wheel. And we have loved doing them, but they've been very taxing. They usually take about 3 weeks from start to finish for us to do those and put those out for you guys. From planning to shooting to editing and uploading, making all the graphics, everything like that. So 3 weeks to make 1 week's worth of video. And so that's kind of put us behind a lot, but it's okay. I'm glad that we've done it. We're not doing the Class A motorhome. We decided to scrap that. We didn't have enough entries, and the people that we reached out to didn't get back to us. And we felt like a dual multi-plus system for a motorhome, we could just do that on tabletop and show you how to integrate that into the systems based on the videos that we've already done.
And it's also coming up on winter here in Colorado, and we certainly do not want to have a Class A motorhome in the snow.
That's the last thing we need. So that's not going to happen, but we're still going to provide the education for that. So I think it's still going to be a good thing.
It will.
You want to give an update on events?
Yeah, so we've also been going to a bunch of events this year. This is kind of our first year actually going to a bunch of events and doing some education. Nate's been giving some classes at these various trade shows and events. We've done system checks, that kind of thing. It's been really, really fun. Also pretty taxing on the team because we all go out there and we all spend all weekend and then we come back and go to work the next morning. So it's been really, really fun. Our last one is going to be Van Fest in Utah at the end of October. So if you guys are interested in coming to that, go ahead and get signed up. It's going to be a blast. It's going to be our last event of the year. And then we'll be on to planning for next year's events. And I think we'll probably be doing more events next year. They were really fun, really beneficial for the team, really beneficial to be able to connect with all of you. So let us know what events you guys want to see us at.
Yeah. And I think that was kind of a good segue into plans for the rest of this year and for the rest of next year. So for the rest of this year, I talked about the dual multi video. I think we'll do a video over the Garmin power switch. Everybody was interested in that, so we'll do that. And then we've got a few other random videos that we'd like to do, as well as our van wrap up. I'm pointing over there. Our van is sitting right there. But our our camper van, the transit build wrap up, we're pretty much done with it for the most part. And so we'll give a full tour of kind of what we've done and try to summarize 50 episodes worth of that build. So that was a pretty big undertaking. For next year, I want some input on what you guys want to see for next year. I think the direction that we're going is away from bigger and longer videos and more elaborate projects and getting back to the basics a little bit. Back in 2019 and 2020, we were putting out a lot of videos over some of the basics. And things have changed a little bit. Like we found better ways to do things, different tools to use that makes things easier and not have to buy quite as much stuff and more efficient. And I would very much like to do a kind of getting back to the basics type of series, basics of batteries, basics of charge controllers, basics of tools, basics of wiring, and all that kind of stuff. But let me know what you guys want to see, and we'll see how we can kind of like mesh what I think we should be doing and what y'all guys want to see. So that's kind of the plan for the very, very rough plan. It's evolving, but that's pretty much it, I think, right? Is there any other updates that you've got on your radar?
We just bought a new horse.
Oh yeah, we bought a new horse. So we're up to 4 now. I'd like to do a video over towing on our Transit because we've been towing a horse trailer all over northern Colorado the last day, and then all over western U.S. the last couple months. So the Transit just tows phenomenal.
Very well. So well.
Like honestly, probably one of the best towing vehicles I've driven. I have like dualies with what?
Yeah, I was pretty skeptical on towing a horse trailer with horses in it with the van, but it has done phenomenally well. Yeah.
So I think maybe that could be a video that I do real soon because it does a really good job. But so that's pretty much it. You can see kind of the chaos we've got. We
are chaos.
We pretty much just packed everything up from the old shop and moved it here, and it's now sitting in the floor. And I have all of my benches and stuff are there. I don't know if y'all can see that. I can't tell what's in the screen over there. And I need to level those today so that I actually have some workspace to do things. Studio is being pretty much finished at the moment, so we're going to have a nice, comfortable space to shoot videos. And so y'all will be seeing that soon. It's taking everything I can, and I'll just go show y'all. But you'll see it. It's coming up soon. Things are good. We're very tired.
But in a good way. We're exhausted from a lot of really cool things happening. And whereas I think last year about this time when we didn't put out a video, we were exhausted from just being exhausted from working and doing too much. And whereas we're still doing too much, it's fun stuff and it's all good.
Yeah, we're having recreation time this year. Yeah. I did a bike race earlier this year. We've got horses now. We've got a little bit of land. So we're working, but it's a more healthy split between, Explorist life work and personal life work of, fun stuff, I guess. So,
yeah.
Is that it?
I think that's it.
Okay. Well, thanks for tuning in. I know this is not a typical video, and there's really no value, and we're not teaching you anything in this video, but I think all of our loyal subscribers and fans, all of you still watching, we just appreciate y'all. So
we appreciate y'all a lot.
Okay, that's it. I've got to go do this thing. So we'll see y'all later.